This is the elevator, 340 something condo. I'll get it in the title in Sarasota, Florida. This is a Miami Dover Impulse. This is just a lobby elevator, actually. It's a scenic elevator. Traditional lantern. And it's traditional inside. Plaza, which is up. Entry, you go up. Interesting. An impulse on the outside, though. They're up. That's just what the elevators in the main place look like, I bet you. Except those are probably not same, because those have awards. This takes forever to level. Plaza? Yeah, there's the main elevator over there. Back, we'll go back down. 988.5. Interesting. Certificate. Nice cab. Probably the same time as the main tower elevator. I bet you there's a desk there, so I probably won't be able to do those. Parking 2. It's park 1, parking 2. That's plaza and down, up and down. This takes forever to level. So that's a lot of grass. No lockout, but I bet you they turn off the elevator at night. They're close enough to get.